sibhekise emakhiweni omude kunayo yonke ozinto ezingentezi kulapho zihlanganiselwa khona indaba nanzi ezijujileko.
For the fact that this firearm was not fired, both of them were not fired innocently.
It is not correct for my learned friends to ultimately come to the conclusion.
Umbuso namaqwetha womholi we-EFF uJulius Malema bagcine baqedile ngesethulo zabo konamhlanje iklasi iza kubonakala kusasa ngoMalema.
Why would he implicate you in something so serious?
I'm denying it. I'm totally denying it.
Belisatsho kwanzima namhlanje isekela lesikhulu se-EMPD uJulius Mkhwanazi ekomitjhinini kaMadlanga.
We view this as political regression that shows a government that is willing to appease.
Mr. Mayor will also need to reassure the USA that South Africa remains part of the world's liberal democratic order.
Yachayisana imbono emkhakheni wezepolitiki malungana nokukhethwa kwaRudolph Meyer njengomzenda weAmerika. Siyakhuleka ekhaya sitshaba sekosi njengesithembiso ke asizimkhonozi siphethe izandamba manje zesindebele ku-SABC1 sibawani samukele akwande. Seliza kulalelwa kusasa icala lomholi we-EFF uJulius Malema ekhotho yesiphande kuGompo Regional eMpumalanga Kapa. uMalema walahlwa licala ekubalwa lokutholakala nesigidi esingasisemthethweni nokudumuzisa isigidi endaweni evalekileko nokufaka impilo yabantu engozini. Isehlakalo lesi senzeka mhla kunomnyanya ogidinga iminyaka emihlanu ye-EFF esisadukashe Stadium eMtanzane ngomnyaka u-2018. Umbuso ufuna bona ayokudosa ejele kanamaqwetha akhe alwela lokuthi ahlawuliswe.
Umbuso ngangelithi nange uJulius Malema angagwetshwa bona yokuhlala ejele lokho kuzokwakha isibonelo esimbi. Kodwa namagqwetha kaMalema ajamile ekutheni icala lenzako alakafanele ukuthi angachinga emaseleni. Bathi isigwebo singaphandle kwejele silifanele icalile njengombana kwabanjalo nakilabo abalahlwa licala elifana naleli phambilini.
We've illustrated that mere possession and discharge do not always mean that there must be incarceration. Each case must be evaluated on its facts. The facts of this case are indeed unique. And we say, firstly, possession cases have frequently attracted either suspended sentences or fines. Secondly, discharge cases have also frequently attracted either suspended sentence or fines. And thirdly, principles of sentencing are always applicable. Sending a person to imprisonment merely because they possessed a firearm with discharge is contrary to the law.
Kodwa nombuso ukhola bona uMalema akhanga njengese ukuzisola nakadumuza ngesigidi begodwa wale amale khotho nakathi bekusigidi sokudlala.
We know for a fact that this firearm was not fired, both of them were not fired innocently. This accused testified he planned it, and when asked why did you choose a particular direction to fire, he says, don't tell me how to fire a shot. I can fire it even from underneath the stage if I feel to do so.
Amagqwetha kaMalema arahe umbono njalo.
So it is not correct for my learned friends to ultimately come to the conclusion that the pattern of sentencing on possession cases reflects custodial sentences of between 7 and 15 years. That's just not part and parcel of the law.
uMalema kulindeleke bona ezwe kusasa bona sithini isigwebo sakhe.
Isekela lesikhulu samapholisa kaMasipalata eKuruleni elijanyisiweko uJulius Mkhwanazi kungenzeka bona uzibangela imiraro ngendaba yecala lokubulawa kwaMbhense elimthindako nabanye kuMasipalata lo.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga ibawe isikhulu se-EMPD esijanyisiweko emsebenzini uJulius Mkhwanazi ukuthi abuyelele ngecala lokubulawa kukaEmmanuel Mbhense. Kwamvoku bekenzelelwa ukuhlathulula ukuthi kuhle kuhle kwenzakalani nakakhona esehlakaleni leso ngesimbi yesibili ngamasa. Umkhwanazi uthi batho akhange abahlala isikhathi lapho ngombana wayeyele ukutholakala kwetraga begodu wakhamba ngemva kwalokho. Nayana kunjalo indaba yakhe akhange izwakale kuhle ekomishinini.
From your statement, when you say Yako woke you up at 2 and you went to the scene just to look at the successes, that is highly improbable. You can't have woken up for something that mundane. What were you going to do with the successes? Nothing you could do. So it's not true that that's why you went there.
Indaba kaMkhwanazi yokuthi batsho yena wayezele ukuzoqala indaba yetraga begodwa wakhamba angakakhulumisani nasinye isiphathimandla lapho iphakamise amehlo ekomithinini le ngoma na indaba yokutholakala kwenkolo ze EMPD nabasebenzi bakhona esehlakalweni bekuyinto ekufanele imrare khulukhulu ngomana bebangakafumani imvume evela kuye njengomana sitsho.
I want to suggest to you, Commissioner, that your evidence is as sparse as it is on this subject because you do not want to tell us what you actually know and what actually happened. That is why your evidence is as sparse as it is and is as senseless as it is. And as Commissioner Baloyi said, is as improbable as it is. I suggest to you that that's because you do not want to tell us what actually happened at that scene.
Ufakazi D uhlathulula into eyenzeka esehlakalweni njengokubulawa ngesihluku kaMbhense abalahlelwe ngedamini njengemiyalo kaMkhwanazi. Ukubhala kukaMkhwanazi ukuthi alethwe kilesi sehlakalo ugcine kubangela umholo wobufakazi uadvocate Mahlape Sillo ukuthi aphakamise ukuthi ihlangothi likaMkhwanazi liphaywe kuqalwe likafakazi D kwaphela.
Why would he implicate you in something so serious? I mean, this is serious, you know, dumping a human being's body in a dam. It's not like stealing money or stealing stones. It's a human being.
Yes, and I don't want to bring other elements. I'm denying it. I'm totally denying it.
Ikomishini iyaraga nokulalela ubufakazi.
I took it as one of the operations, but it became serious.
Umengameli uSathele Ramaphosa uthi iconference yehlandla lesithandathu ibe nerekhodi elihle ekwakheni injamiso ezazisako ekutshaleni imali ezibalwa ngamaranda amabhiliyoni $819. Ramaphosa bekathola inkulumo eJohannesburg lapha kuhlangenwe amalanga amabili womhlahlandlela womnotho welizwe ukuthuthukisa amahlelo abohulumende kunye nokuchotshozela amabhizinisi azijameleko kunye namancane wezohwebelana.
Imbizo le ihlanganisa ababelana abasuka kuhulumende bamabhizinisi nabavela enhlanganweni zomphakathi kuyokubonisana ngamaqhinga okuqinisa iminotho yanganene nokuphakamisa indima yabomasipalata ekuhlumiseni isitshaba.
This conference secured a record 890 billion in investment pledges across all our provinces. When investors build their businesses in our country, whether they be foreign investors, and 25% of the pledges that were made by foreign investors, or whether they be local investors, they don't set up their factories or open their businesses or call centers or whatever on the lawns of the union buildings.
Mengameli Ramaphosa uthi imbizo le iqothela ukuthi ize nemphumela emihle eyazisa ukuheha abatshali imali kunye nokuvula amathuba emisebenzi njengoba nohulumende afuna ukuvula amathuba wezomnotho endaweni zemakhaya.
Amanye amalunga wekomiti ezamazwe ngamazwe eParliament azokalisa imbono ehlukahlukeneko ngesimemezelo sokukhethwa kwamakekereke zepolitiki uRulf Meyer njengomzenda weSouth Africa eUnited States of America.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukhethe ilunga lalokhu le-National Party uRulf Meyer njengomzenda weSouth Africa eAmerica. uMeyer khaba phambili ngesikhathi semkhulumisano elizweni ngaphambi kokungena kohulumende wentando yeningi. Isikhathi kaMeyer njengosopolitiki wangesikhathi sebandlululo nangentando yeningi senze wasekelwa ngahlanye begodwa waliwa ngahlanye. I-EFF ngenye inhlangano ezingakhambisani nokukhethwa kwakhe. Inhlangano leyithi ukukhethwa kwakaMeyer kuyadanisa njengoba nase indlela yokukara uhulumende wamakhuwa nebandlululo kaDonald Trump. Ezinye inhlangano zepolitiki ziphefumule nganasi indlela.
We view this as political regression that shows a government that is willing to appease a government that is led by Donald Trump, a government that went on a misinformation.
So this is not a neutral diplomatic appointment. It is a political signal that the very architects of that compromise settlement are being trusted to represent South Africa now, while the majority remain locked out of land and wealth.
Abanye bayasekela isiqundo esi.
Mr. Mayor will also need to reassure the USA that South Africa remains part of the world's liberal democratic order. He will struggle to do this for as long as the ANC continues to antagonize the USA.
Mayor must skillfully navigate complex tensions, including US-South Africa trade debates and shifting global alliances, to ensure that South Africa remains a sought-after global partner.
Umeya ukhethwa nje, iSouth Africa ilingokuvuselela ubudlelwano neAmerica.
Sibuya entolo.
I'm going to take the medication because I think it's much friendly. It was friendly since it's an injection.
Ibaphe ithemba elitsha bomjovo omutsha okhulunyiswako ekuthiwa ukhandela ukutheleleka ngendumbandonga. Indaba zisekhona lapha mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Namba sikhambe. Ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo ithe kha ngokubambisana neBook Hive kokusingathwa ngumasipalata weThembisile bahlome ngokusemthethweni ijima lokuthuthukisa izinga lokufundela ukuzwisisa, ukuthuthukisa amalimi wendabuko kunye nokuvuselela ngobutsha isekopilo lokufundwa kwencwadi enkolweni esifundweni esi. Ngubika uDlozi Mnisi.
Thena kuphuma ilanga uSara wabesele aqedile ngebala iswekeli.
Lapha kulolwa izazi zangomuso zamalimi wesintu. Abafundi besikolo samabanga aphakemeko iSokapho Secondary School babuthene ngethabo lapha babambela khona umthandazo ngaphambi kokuthi baye enkumbeni zokufundela. Lapha kade kubanjwe khona ijima lokuphalisana ngokufunda elithome khona pha eSokapho ngaphambi kokuthi lidlulele esikolweni samabanga phasi iMatsheni Primary School. Ihlelweli liyingcenye yejima leThekhang lokuvakatshela enkolo ngomnqopho wokuthuthukisa amalimi wendabuko nokukhuthaza ukufunda kubafundi emfundeni ezihlukeneko. Abafundi besikolo esi balithabele ijimeli.
Guys, asifundeni sokhona ukuphumelela ngakusasa, sibe nekusasa eliqhakazekileko. Kosibele confident ukuthi uze la uzokujama la stage, maybe lokho kungakuphumelelisa. Abantu bakhona ukufunda, abanye bathole isikhathi sokuthola ilwazi elisencwadini.
Lulela khelenziwa laveza ukuthi abafundi abanengi abayizwisisi into abayifundako. Yeke amajima afana nala aqakathekile ukukhaliphisa amakhono wabo.
IsiNdebele is one of the marginalized language. So by distributing books in IsiNdebele and encouraging learners to read books, it is actually very important to enhance the language itself.
Ihlangano ekungenye yababelani kulejima ithi IsiNdebele ngelinye lamalimi asahlayelelwako naziza kezokufunda nokufundisa.
Balekile ukuthi bafunde ngekuvisisa, bafunde futhi ngekulangazelela.
Umphathi wamabulungelo ncwadi ukhombela ababelethi bona bakhuthaza abantwana ukuthi balisebenzise ibulungelo ncwadi ngombana akubhadelwa litho.
La buyikhoma uyaphumula nyana. Bayasiza kakhulu kwamambala nabezileko e-library bazokufunda. Kanti ke khona la e-library sine Wi-Fi yamahala yasimahla ukuthi abantwana beze bazokwenza umsebenzi wesikolo. Abantwana kufanele bazijayeze ufunda ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kanti ababelethi nabo fanele bakhuthaze abantwana. Yabona mbelethi, mfundi, mfundisi, abantu lababo bathathu babambene fanele bakhuthaza abantwana ukuthi bahlale bafunda, bahlale bavakatshela ama-library ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Ijimeli alipheleli lapha lisazokudlulela kezinye inkolo zeMpumalanga. Abafundi abatshengise ukuba namakhono wokufunda bathokozwe ngabonongorwana. Ngejimeli kunethemba lokuthi izinga lokufunda lizokukhuphuka ebantwaneni abasendaweni ezikumasipalata weThembisile ekukhanyeni eMpumalanga ebayaziwa ngeKwaGafontein. Umnqopho weGmail ukuthuthukisa amalimi wendabuko, amakghonofundwa wokufunda kunye nokusabalaliswa ukutholakala kwencwadi. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguDlozi Mnisi, ngibika ngisekukhanyeni eMpumalanga.
Umera kamasipalata weThembisile uLesitsha Dikgale uthi kuqakathekile bona umphakathi ubhadele izenzelo ukuphumelelisa amaqalontanzi abanawo ukuthuthukisa umasipalata lo. Lokhu kuvele embizweni yomphakathi ema-ofisini kamasipalata eMthombo Muhle eMpumalanga.
Indaba yokulela izenzela komphakathi yindaba emgugunako umasipala lo. Kanti lapha kuhlanganisa inhloko kufunana nensombululo zemiraro ehlangabezana nemiphakathi engaphasi kwakamasipala iThembisile hani. Ubuholi bakamasipala budosa phambili ngumeyara uLesitsha Dikgale uhlose ukwakha indlela ezilula zokuthintana nomphakathi.
So we're able to come to understanding yokuthi ukuze silakhe leli dorobha lethu kuzobaluleka ukuthi abafundisi kakhulukazi nabantu abadala bathathe ichaza ekugqugquzeleni nokuba ama-champion we-development ye-city yethu.
Umphakathi nawo ufumene ithuba lokubeka lobubodlana.
So now the fact that my parents are in the area, why should I suffer? Because the household I live in is in areas. The business area that I'm renting at, and umama ngimbuzile ngiphela ngifuna ukuapply kwamasipala wathi hey yazi mntanami hey so now I am disqualified.
The first point was that indlela incane, therefore itruck alikhona ukungena because alikhona ukujika. I do pay for that service. I also pay for a private service waste removal. It's a deep concern. Be as it may, now that indlela incane, at least can we have a road?
Udikgale ukhuthaza umphakathi bona uphumelele nakubanjwa imihlangano efana nale ngoba nomphakathi ngabelana oqhakathekileko.
Nomphakathi kuya ngevision yethu ukuthi ufanele uhambe phambili indaba ye-development kube uwo oshoyo inkhuluphelo namaphupho bafuna ukuwabona enzeka empilweni zabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi nabo bakhululeke because inkululeko yamampela ukuba ne-economic empowerment.
Udikgale ukhuthaza namabhizinisi asebenzela umasipala bona azimisele emsebenzini abawenzako ukuqinisekisa bona umphakathi ufumana izenzelo ngendlela efaneleko.
Isichema sabantu abasengozini ekhulu ngokutheleleka ngentumbantonga balamukele ihlelo likahulumende lokwethula umjovo okukhandela ukutheleleka ngentumbantonga iLena Kapava khona duze. Abantu abasengozini ekhulu ngokutheleleka ngentumbantonga ekufaka hlangana abathengisa ngedini, abentazinyana abancane, abantu bengubo abasebatsha kunye namadoda athandana ngobulili bawo.
Olerato engasilo ibizo lakho lamambala umthengisi ngedini uneminyaka eli-19 enza lo msebenzi.
The fear was if sometimes you get the condom based, you might contract STIs and also HIV.
Isibalo sabatheleleke ngentumbantonga sesephezulu ukubabazeka kweSouth Africa. Kanti abantu abanganayo ingogwana le sebazokuthola umjovo weLena Kapava maduze nje ukulwisana nesibalo esiphezulu esimo. Uhulumende uphasisa umjovo lo begodu selamukela umthwalo wokuthoma womjovo lo.
It blocks HIV from entering the nucleus of your CD4 cell, that's your own immune cell, and then it prevents HIV from multiplying. They'll get 2 injections, and it can be either on the abdomen or on the buttocks, and then they'll also get 2 tablets on the first day. They'll then take home another 2 tablets to take the next day.
Indaba zomjovo lo zimehlisa ivalo uLerato.
I'm going to take the medication because I think it's much friendly, user-friendly, since it's an injection.
Umdema Mabunda naye ungabanye abasengozini yokutheleleka ngentumbantonga. Uneminyaka emithathu selumchoka wokuvikela ukutheleleka ngentumbantonga iPrEP. Ukholwa ukuthi ukuphumelela kokusebenza kweLena Kapava kudzimelele ekutheni kube namajima aqinileko wokufundisa ngayo khulukhulu emphakathini engathembi umjovo.
I will recommend that our departments, our clinics do community outreach, educate people on about it, the side effect of it, just like they did with the COVID.
I-Aram Institute ikholwa ukuthi umjovo lo uzoqeda ukuqalwa ngendledlana thize kwabanengogwana ye-HIV nesibalo sabatheleleke ngayo khulukhulu kulabo abangafuni ukubona nabayokuphaka amapilisi.
It has potentially high adherence due to the privacy. So we might even find ourselves, with zero new HIV infections before even 2030.
Umnyango wezempilo ulindele ukuthi umemezele ngokusemthethweni ilanga lokthoma ukusabalaliswa komjovo lo. Kanti imiphakathi esengozini ngokutheleleka ngendombandonga umjovo lo uzokuletha ukuvikeleka, isithunzi, kuvuseleleke namandla ukuba nelawulo empilweni nabo.
Imamelodi Sundowns yadoroba iqinisa itende yayo ilungiselela umdlalo womzombe wesibili wamasemifinal we-CAF Champions League njengoba nayo ukubambana ne-Esperance eLoftus Versfest Stadium ePitori ngomgqibelo.
Siyalotshisa ekhaya napho ubujamo bezulu livulile ngapha ngeJingalanga yeSouth Africa kuhle livale ngamafu kanike ngale endaweni yange Northwest ukujinga lapha ke endaweni yange Freystata ngale ngeKZN nesifundeni seMpumalanga nangapha ngeGauteng ngamathuba wezulu nge60% namhlanje sebusuku kusasa i60% la ibuyele khulu ngapha ngesifundeni sange Northern Cape nangale ke esifundeni sangakwaZulu Natal sithole lapha ke isilemukiso kanti ke imijijo eduma kumbi kilezi ndawo lapho silithole khona nge60% namhlanje sebusuku nakusasa ke endaweni ezithindekako kungale ngeDurban nangale ke esifundeni sange Northern Cape siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga ukuchisa sithoma ngapha ngeGauteng iPitori neBroncosprade 27 iCarltonville ipholile nangemva kwamadina nge23 siyasifundeni sangale ngeLimpopo sibona lapha kufuthumele eMusina nge28 iPhalaburwa nge30 iyachisa sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele ngale ngeMpumalanga sibona lapha ke kuyachisa esikhukhuza iMashishini yona ke ipholile bomalahleni sekhunda ngapho bomhlanga kwaGafontein ngemva kwamadina kufuthumele kamnanjazana sifunda saKwaZulu Natal lesa sibona lapha eRichards Bay nge27 noLundi ngale ngeDurban kufuthumele nge26 Kokstad pholile nangemva kwamadina nge20 siyalapha eEastern Cape esibonakalayo yona ke sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele kukulapha eMaltswayi la sibona khona ke kupholile nge22 ngemva kwamadina iJingalanga Kapa bonakala lapha eCape Town pholile nalapha ke Cape Agulhas neMossel Bay nge22 kezinye indawo kufuthumele siyocela lapha isifunda sangaleke ngeNorthern Cape sona ke sichisa lapha eUppington kuthi kezinye indawo zonke kufuthumele iSutherland yona ke ipholile nge22 siyalapha eFreystata siyobona ukuthi khona kanjani kufuthumele endaweni eziningi iFixburg nalapha eViepenar neBethlehem zona ke zipholile nangemva kwamadina ngokugcina sitale lapha ke iNorthwest bonakala ke nayo isifunda sonke sifuthumele ngemva kwamadina sithome ukuthi siphole ndangi asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako Tiro